Hi there. It's 11 o'clock and I'm a mess. I'm not dressed yet. My hair is all flaky. This coronavirus is really doing a job on us, isn't it? I'm anxious. I'm worried about the news coming out. And yet I want to help. I'm trying to think, what can I do? And then finally I have an aha moment, or maybe it was more like a duh moment. I can do what I do, which is offer some paint therapy. My name is Cindy, and I'm a independent Chalky and Company shop owner. And I usually offer paint classes in people's homes or sometimes at restaurants or other public areas. And of course, I can't do that now, but I'm like, I can do it over Zoom. So on the third Thursday, which is April 16th, that's coming up in just a couple more weeks, I'm going to offer a Zoom class, and I invite you to join me. Maybe you need a reason to know what day of the week it is. Like me, I have to ask my husband every day, what day is this? Maybe you just need a break from all the pandemonium that's going on now. So what I'm going to do is, on our Zoom paint class, I'm going to offer this kit, which is actually a pandemic-inspired kit from Chalky and Company. It is our out-of-the-box kit, and it's meant for individuals. Rather than ordering a party worth of supplies, everybody can order their own and have it shipped directly to their house, so no extra people touching or handling it. And then on our Zoom night, we can all paint it together. And if you've never used Zoom, it's great. You can see each other, you can laugh, you can talk, and it's the next best thing to being all together. So let me show you what you get with this kit that we have. It's called Out of the Box. And you get everything that you need to paint your kit at home. And it's $29.99, and it includes free shipping. It's a monthly kit, but not a monthly subscription. So this kit is only available for the month of April. Next month in May, we'll have a new kit available. With it, you are going to get kit instructions. So if you can't join us on the Zoom night and you just want to paint it on your own, there are instructions there that you can follow. You're going to get a 9x9 beveled piece of wood from Chalky and Company. You're going to get your paint stencil, which looks cute if you put it like this. You can tilt it. Use your imagination as to how you want it to go. You're going to get your paint brushes. You're going to get an embellishment pack of flowers. So the flowers look really cute coming out of the top of the flower pot or the watering can there, or if you tilt it on the side, they look awesome, like it's watering the flowers that are growing all across the bottom. And in addition to that, you're going to get two paints, and the paints are picked to coordinate with your embellishment kits. So they're just, aren't those beautiful colors there? That purple just looks like spring, and the gray is picking up all the gray colors in the flowers there. It's going to be really a pretty kit to put together. So I hope you can join me on April 16th, that's the third Thursday, for our Zoom night. Order your kit, and I'll put the information in the comment section below of where to order it. Order it right away because it takes a week to 10 days, depending on where in the country that you're located, and to get that delivered out to you so that you have that in your hand when it is time for that class. And like I said, if you don't make the class, you can follow the instructions on here too. So I hope that that's helpful for you. If you have any questions, contact me. I'm Cindy with Chalky and Company, and I hope to see you at my class. Thanks.